Alright people, so it is the 100-meter final. Usain Bolt, the legend, the king of sprinting. Oh jeez and Pim, I'm the one to be and get myself ready and put together, but I have no time to do it. Oh jeez, I'm turning down this. See the man here, see the man here.
He's 31 years old in a couple of weeks.
I'm gonna give a shit about you, I don't really care about you. Now watch a cool man, I don't care about no cool man. Cool you cool kinda hot. Are you Usain Bolt are the real top man? Johan Blake. I don't really want to watch this. I don't really want to pre this. I don't really want, yeah. I owe him. Really spree. I don't owe this. I don't watch this. I don't owe this. Alright. Come on, man. No, but just can't, you know, I never want to say how historic, how momentous, how iconic the moment here going to be. Hold on. Prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, I come before you once more. Just pray that you just allow the Jamaicans to just push through and develop and just develop that fighting spirit that none of the maroon that all of our ancestors had from their sole of their feet to the whatever their head. Pray that them just come through with a victory. Usain Bolt need to win. Alright. I can't even pray properly in a piece. Oh Jesus. Oh Lord. No! No! Him do it, I can't diss him. As an athlete, him finally do it, him learn it and him do it. And him beat him. Him beat him pande. I guess him finally get him revenge. Usain Bolt you can't retire. You're not retire, you're not make it done yourself. You're not gonna retire, you're not gonna make it done yourself. I want to know. No, I can't. Some of that's different in the atmosphere, you know, but just know. So something different. Big up yourself, USA brother Justin Gatlin or whatever you want to name. Cause why? Even congratulations here Gatlin. I even have a bad mind. Like as a competitor, you do what you have to do. If I win you want, when you do what you have to do, and you beat the man for like the worst time, like what a wicked dirty stinking piece of crosses you be. Out of all that time you beat him, you beat the man when the man want to retire. And what kind of bad mind and grudge will you have in a fear heart so? But so you know when people have you up, you know, and they just wait and say, yeah, I must kill you. Big up yourself here, Usain Bolt. No retire. Go one more for just close it off, cause oh God, but I never know everything. But I never know. I never know. Jesus Christ, I never know. Oh God, Justin Gatlin Silva them finally add up. I never know if you say big up yourself as a competitor. The man just lay low and surprise everybody. And why saying, and look how people don't even go start talk about say I can't see bad luck him. Don't say it. I never want to say it in the comments coming on the half and stay and say the one time him carry out the girl and that happened. Don't even bother go say it. I can't watch this like boy, oh God, me all nervous. I never know if boy, I'm done. And who this a call me now? Yo, yeah. Yeah, like, I never owe him lose to, you know, Justin Gatlin. I said Justin Gatlin. You know how long Justin Gatlin want to beat him? And Justin Gatlin wait until the man retire. Right now, I tell you, both need to retire and then you forgot one more. One more for the close it off. I don't know if I lose still, but no for your final one. I not take this at all. Like this just spoil everything plan and all kind of something like that. Boy, need to shout you about later because I can't even chat now. Shout you about later.
Foundation work. Yeah, the light and nice too.
Yeah, the light your bad.
Yeah.